What's up everyone, Elton over here. So I just want to show you a great example. Oh my god, I didn't expect that to happen. But great example of why you should be using this tool called Epic Pen. Epic Pen allows you to draw it on your screens, but I use it for my charting, and this helps me out and draw. Just double check and see if um, if I'm thinking that the right pattern is coming up. And so right here we have STNE, stock STNE, and then from right here, based from its opening, I drew this out because I started seeing a pattern, and I was kind of expecting to see if I was right. So I drew it out. You know, I select the pen, and of course I drew it out just like that. Pretty simple. But then one of the biggest things that I always like to do, just to check that I'm making the right pattern, what I did is for my screen, I saved this to my screen. So now I have all these candlestick patterns on my screen, and then the pattern that I drew, it stays on Epic Pen, unless of course I hide it, but otherwise stays right here. And then just by looking at it, just by looking at this uh, ginormous pattern over here, I try to see which pattern does this stock look like. So first and foremost, I see one. So of course this is not the right one, but it's a rising wedge, where it's not even a rising wedge, it's just a wedge, but it's not rising because the price didn't go from down here all the way up to here, rather went from up here to down here. So that's an option. Okay, and then I keep on looking. So this, having this screen this background helps me out just to confirm my patterns again. So another one that I see that looks similar to this is, boom, a rising wedge, but this one is the reversed of it. And again, just by looking at it, that one looks very similar. So between these two, and I kept on looking for some other ones, I'm like, there's truly nothing else. The pattern's not closed, it's still kind of open. So between these rising wedges, of course it's not the one that is going up, so right off the bat I'm able to see this pattern. So then I go back to my chart and then just continue checking and see if the price keeps on going, doing its thing. And so far it did come down below it, but now I'm seeing some reversal happening right over here. But we'll see if is it a fake out pattern, or is it more of a some sellers trying to cover some, and then it's going to continue falling down. So we'll determine that in just a couple minutes. We'll see how it goes. Of course, this is the 5-minute time frame, and then looking right here, this is the 1-minute time frame. But this tool helps me out very it's very good for you to like draw out your patterns, so that way you're able to see how the stock is doing. So that was a great example right here, especially with you having this background too. If you want me to get you this background, definitely let me know. So I'll get you guys this background completely free. Just DM me on Instagram, and make sure you like this video as well, so that way I can give you guys this candlesticks patterns background completely free. All right.